Sarah from Average Betty here, and I'm making potato tostadas. So delicious, they could make tostadas an institution, like their sister, the taco and Taco Tuesdays. Tostada Thursdays would be so totally fetch. Let's make potato tostadas. I've got an Idaho russet potato here. A quick peel, a little slice, and dice. Bring the potato pieces to a gentle bubbling. Reduce the heat, cover, and allow to cook. While the potatoes are cooking, make the slaw. Here's a big bowl, and this is mayonnaise. Lime zest, lime juice, salt. Give it a little whisking. This is cilantro. Here's some flat leaf parsley, chopped green onion, some red cabbage, and some lettuce. And julienned pickled jalapeno slices. That's right. Pumpkin seeds, avocado, bum 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 bum, daddle daddle daddle. Go ahead and get this into the fridge. In this skillet, I've got some onions that I've started to caramelize. Sexy. Here are my perfectly al dente potatoes. You want them a little on the firmer side because they'll continue to cook, and even then, I think a bit of texture in the potatoes in this dish is key. Some salt, a little cumin, move that around, maybe a little chipotle. Ooh-wee! Okay, I'm gonna run my masher through these potatoes just a bit. Again, you wanna keep that texture. This is some cotija cheese. Turn down the heat and set this aside for a moment. Let's prepare some corn tortillas. You can go all full throttle tostada and fry these up in a little bit of oil, but you can also brush or spray the tortillas with oil and bake them in your oven. I bet you could even air fry them if you had one of them fancy air fryer things. Technically, you could even use a pile of tortilla chips because as soon as you dig into a tostada, that's basically what you got. And I don't have to tell you, if you build it, they will come. Those taters. Lightly seasoned and cooked to perfection. And the slaw, crunchy and fresh. A little more cotija just for kicks. And dive on in. Filling, flavorful, and fresh. I need a margarita. Get the potato tostadas recipe at averagebetty.com. So next time you're craving something crunchy, spicy, and cool, no matter the day of the week, I hope you give my potato tostadas a try. Thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next time. Potato tostadas.